Who is this?
Something like this.
Two pictures for Mom and Dad.
Can we just compare?
Is this for you? Let's see. It says Sam. Okay, let's open her up.
Open it up.
Rip the paper.
Oh, Sam's got to open the present for Mom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, keep ripping it.
Oh, boy.
Oh, keep ripping it. Oh, pull. Oh, it's a book. Oh, there's a bunch of books.
Oh, Petra. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Wow. Oh, let me see. What we got? Oh, that's my pen wallet. Oh, let's see. Oh, hey.
Thank you.
Sam, look at this. Sam, there's a camel. Did you see the
Bacon
camel?
wallet.
Yeah, we'll read it. It says, small camel
Inspected by
follows
the
the
US
star.